Good morning. So it's Sunday morning and this is how my day is starting. Yeah, so I came outside on the way to church and the car was acting funky, so I think hopefully it was the battery. I'm pretty sure it is. Probably a light was left on. I didn't put any makeup on, only my lip. I could have just put makeup on if I knew I was gonna be sitting here like this though. Yay. My son was trying to bring one of the babies out here for me to take her to the store with me, but I'm like no, because it just started raining, and I'm like no, she can just stay home. Anyway, I'm on my way to Aldi to get some food for us for the week. If you saw my last video, I will put it up here in the little card thingamajiggas. I did a meal plan. I'm not very happy about that video though, the way it came out, but nonetheless I did plan out my meals for the week, so I'm gonna go pick up some of the things that I have on the list right now. I say some because I need to get in and get out. So I'm definitely going to be getting the lunches, and I'm definitely going to be getting the breakfast food that I have planned, and a few of the dinner items. I'll probably get everything when I get there, but let's hurry up because I need to get back in about an hour. Almost done. My cart is pretty full, but I love this little aisle that they always have, like with all like the extra stuff, like the little cups and stuff like that. They're so cute, and the prices are really good. I didn't come here for any of it, but it was like really cute. They have catnip. Is it true that catnip makes cats like crazy? Like, I don't know. Does it have like drugs in it, or like marijuana? Like, I don't know. I heard that catnip, I don't know, wait, maybe I should read it. It says it entices and stimulates cats. I don't know, I heard it makes cats crazy. I don't know. And that's a wrap. Alright, so I just came back from Aldi. I went by myself and I came back, and Ryan needed attention, so he's going to do the haul with me. So if you watched yesterday's video, you saw that I planned out the week, and I did get some things that were not on my list. Womp, womp, womp. Anyway, so I'm going to show you everything that I got from Aldi. I think all this stuff came up to $80, $79, $75, between $75 and $80, I believe. Okay, so I'm going to make this really quick so I can feed Ryan. I'm going to show you everything on my list first. I'm going to show you the other things that I got that were not on my list, but I think I need it. So, first on the list that was not on my list was Nesquik. Yeah, kids like this stuff, and it helps them to drink milk when they need it sometimes. Yeah, Ryan's going to make this kind of hard for me. Okay, next on the list was the pancakes. If you remember from my last video, I like to make these and freeze them so they can pull them out for breakfast before school. You are free. You are free to go play. You are free to go play. You want to play? You want to hold something? Hold crackers? Peanut butter crackers. Here you go. Hold those for me. Thank you. Okay. Penguins were very, I told you, Jeremiah, you have to wait for the graham crackers, okay? Okay, thank you.
Why then? I want to get them.
I can get them in a few minutes. See ya. Oh. Anyway, would you like to come over and help me? You don't have a shirt on. Here. Penguins, aka goldfish, aka taste better than the penguins. Okay.
I take a great time to do this.
I don't film during the daytime, And the reason why is because everybody in my house is awake and making noises and stuff like this. So, but I wanted to show you guys what I got while I was out instead of having to pull it back out. These are protein bars I got from my older son because he eats lunch at school at like 1 o'clock in the afternoon and he gets to school like 8:30. So I got these for him for snack time. Okay, potatoes. This was not on my list. I did say they were taking waters to school, but I did find some sugar-free flavors if they want to add this to their waters. Not the healthiest thing, but they did have them, and I think these were like $3. Granola bars on my list. These are like Nature Valley, but they're not Nature Valley. Clubhouse crackers. Like the other Clubhouse crackers, but not Clubhouse crackers. Technical difficulties. Ryan wanted to get put down, so I put him down. He's occupied for a few seconds, so I have to power through the rest of this haul. Ooh! White cheddar puffs. I think these are supposed to be like pirate booties. Pirate booties? Pirate booty? Videographer?
I don't know what you're talking about.
He doesn't even know. Okay, anyway, pirate booty, I think. But the kids like them, and they're really, really good. I think there's a mosquito in here. Got mandarin oranges because they were only $3. Not on my list, but the kids will take them with their lunches. Let's see what else. Syrup, of course, to go with the pancakes. Something else not on my list. Hazelnut spread. This stuff can go in like 2 days if I'm not careful with the kids, so I'm gonna put it away. Every time I got it. What else? Of course, animal crackers. That was on my list. Chicken breast for the chicken sandwiches I'm going to make this week for them. Spaghetti noodles for the spaghetti dinner I'm going to make this week. Relish. Coffee, which I showed you in the grocery store, which is not my haul, but I knew we were out. Did I show you this? Turkey breast? No, I did not. For sandwiches. Also got nacho cheese flavored tortilla chips, aka Doritos, but they're not Doritos. They are nacho cheese flavored tortilla chips. Did I show you my chia seeds? I'm going to be making overnight oats with these. Just let you know how that goes later on this week. Okay. Then I'll show you some things that were not on my list. Well, some of the stuff just wasn't on my list, but. Anywho's it. These were not on my list, but they were like $2.50, so I figured I can occupy Ryan and Rachel during the day with them. What's wrong?
Nothing.
You were making hand gestures.
I thought you were going to hand it off to me.
No, it wasn't. Sorry. Anywho's it. MooTube, aka Danimals, aka MooTube. Got 2 of these. They were on my list. And blueberries and can you see right there? Strawberries and eggs over there. And I believe, oh yeah, I'm gonna show you this because I was so excited to get this. This was my find of the day, I think. So I really wanted one of these boards because my plan is to. A lot of times people make like lists of things that to do. This is not my to-do board. This is my what did I do board. So basically as I do things during the day, I'm going to be writing things that I've gotten done during the day because I am a very, very busy person and sometimes the day gets away from me and I later I'm like, what the heck did I do today? Therefore, I'm going to use this board every time I accomplish something like wash the dishes or do a little laundry or list my items on eBay and Poshmark. I'm going to write it down here so I know at the end of the day that I got something done and not to be too hard on myself. And I think that is it for my haul, my Aldi haul, right? Showed you everything I think. So that's the end of my haul. Thank you so much for watching. I think I'm ending the video here. Maybe. Probably. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this vlog slash Aldi haul slash yeah. Have a good day, have a good night, have a good weekend, have a good week. See you next time. Bye.